How to make your Chrome browser more faster, easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to make Google Chrome more faster and fix the lag problem, please keep watching until the end. First step you have to do is open your Chrome browser like this and then go to the settings page as you can see, and then go to system right here, and then you will find two options right here. All what you have to do is make sure to disable them like this. And after you disable them, all what you have to do is go to the reset and clean, and then click on clean up computer and click on find. And after that, all what you have to do is go to privacy and security, and then go right here to cookies and other site data. Now all what you have to do is make sure to make your cookies on this option, and then all what you have to do is go back again and go to site settings and make sure to disable the camera right here and disable the microphone also. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later.